Click on the subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell icon to not miss any of our brand new videos.
Hello YouTube, this is Deepika from Nothing Wire and I am at the big launch of Blackberry and Optimus here, where Blackberry has launched Evolve and Evolve X. So I'm holding the all new Evolve X right now. It looks like this, very premium handset, and it has been launched in the category of, you can say, OnePlus 6 and Vivo X21, like that kind of price range. This time Blackberry looks very promising. It comes with a touchpad, like it has the normal QWERTY keypad, physical keypad, and you can see how grand it is looking. So in this video we'll see a quick look of the new Blackberry Evolve X, the brand new Blackberry Evolve X in front of you guys. This looks really nice and premium. The textured back, the curved edges, and Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection. So looks are really nice and very promising. So if we check out the hardware, on the top we have the earpiece and the front camera and with the flash. Here we have a very stylish speaker grill along with a C-type charging port. It also supports fast charging. At the back we have a dual camera setup with the LED flash and a mic. Then the Blackberry logo. It also has fingerprint sensor as well as face unlock, both which are very nice and quick. Screen colors, you can see they are very, this time Blackberry screen has a very bright bold colors, and obviously it has ditched its normal QWERTY keyboard, but then too the keyboard, the touchpad keyboard is really nice, because Blackberry's keyboard were really famous and it will obviously continue, whether it's a physical keyboard or a touchpad keyboard. So this phone runs on Android 8.1 audio out of the box. Along with that, it has a Snapdragon Qualcomm 660 processor, which is a nice strong processor in which you can do a lot of multitasking and play high-end games as well. Also, it has an octa-core 2.2 GHz 64-bit processor, and GPU is also strong, that is 512. It has a hybrid SIM tray slot and supports 4G VoLTE dual SIM. Coming to the battery life, it is really good. It has a massive 4000 mAh battery, but then too it is really nice to hold in hand. It's not at all feeling heavy. Also, it has Power Charge app, which will help you to customize your battery usage according to your own battery usage pattern. This particular handset Evolve X has a battery, Evolve X has 6 GB plus 64 GB RAM and ROM combination. Coming to the camera, I cannot show you the camera, launch and show you the camera, because this is a prototype handset here on the launch event. So the back camera is a dual camera setup with a 12 plus 13 megapixel dual camera, and on the front you have a 16 megapixel front camera. I've tried the front camera and the back camera of the other variant, which is a Blackberry Evolve, and I really liked it. And this is a higher version of this is Evolve X. This is an expensive one from both the phones, so this will obviously have a better camera app. Evolve X comes at a price range of 34,990 and Evolve comes at a price of 24,990. Availability will be August end, and the other phone will be available in September approximately. So there is a different league which is totally like a Blackberry fan category. So they were really waiting for such type of Blackberry launch, and now it is here. So this is it for this video. I'll be back soon with another tech video. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you and bye.